Hi everybody, the camera just moved, but that's okay. How are you? Okay, I am knocking off things on my to-do list, or a list that is in my head of all the things I purchased and want to use, because I don't want to purchase things if I'm not going to use them. That's just a waste of money. So I have these two from a Dollar Tree haul, I don't know, a week or two ago. And today I ran to the Dollar Tree and I grabbed some, as they fall off, hold on one second. Grab some lilacs, some pretty lilacs, right? I don't know where this one fell off of, but I want to paint these with the milk paint and add the lilacs. Lilacs. So, in order to do the milk paint, I also have it in a spray can, but it's 30 degrees out and I can't spray paint. And I don't think it'd be smart to spray paint in the house. So I ran down the basement and I got some of my old stash out of my acrylic paints. And when I do milk paint, I like to put a base underneath it, a darker base, so that when I start to sand it down, it gives it that antique-y look. So I ran downstairs and I grabbed some of just the acrylic black. I don't think there's anything left in this, but I'll leave that upside down. And I'm going to paint it black. So this is going to be my first coat. I don't know if I'm going to do one coat or two coats, but I will probably fast forward this video, cut some of it out, and I won't torture you all, and I will make a mess. So, I don't know if this is too thick. No, that looks perfect. So, I'm just going to paint this glass. And I'm just going to give it a thin coat. If I spray painted it, it would be so much quicker. But it's not always about speed. It's about being in the moment and enjoying it. And honestly, I do like brush painting. So, I am back, and we are going to shake this up. I got this from Walmart. It's only like $1.50. It's not expensive, maybe $2. So open this up and give it a coat. I said that maybe I would do 2 coats of the black, but I don't feel like it's necessary. So I'm going to add a little bit into here. These are those little containers I get. I think they were like 12 at the dollar store, 12 for $1. So these have been drying for about 2 hours, and I'm going to actually give this a little shake. And instead of using the foam brush, I'm going to use the bristle brush, say that 10 times fast. And this was one of the brushes that I got at Hobby Lobby the other day for $2.99. It's in one of my hauls. So that's what I like. I don't just buy things to have them, I buy things to use them. It actually looks pretty cool, but it will look even better once I get 2 or 3 coats on. So instead of torturing you listening to me, I will let the video fast forward and I will play some music. Alright, I let this dry overnight, and I'm kind of happy with the results. So I'm going to come in with my sand block, and I'm just going to distress it a little. Thank you for watching this video and hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed it. These glasses came out amazing. These milk jugs, milk bottles. To think that they only cost $1. The black paint I had, the flowers were $1. I mean, it's a under $5 craft for such a pretty thing. I wound up putting these in my dining room, and it just gives it that country farmhouse flair. I love them. I think I'm going to go out and buy some lavender. It's not lavender, it's lilacs. Some lilac spray, and spray the flowers up a little, and maybe see if they make the room smell nice. But this is how it looks on the piece of furniture in my dining room. I love it. It doesn't look like it came from the Dollar Tree. It looks like it could have came from Pottery Barn. But again, thanks a lot for hanging out with me. And if you liked it, please give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment. I love to talk to people. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I will see you real soon. Bye.